Welcome everyone. Hi, I'm Brad Dunn. I'm the Key Relationship Manager for Westbridge Funds, and I'm joined here today by Head of Commercial Funds, Alex Lambert. Welcome, Alex.
Thanks, Brad.
Today we've got a very interesting new fund coming up, so we thought we'd put this quick video together to explain the strategy and everything behind it. And because, well, this is the bloke with the brains behind all this stuff, I thought I'd ask him. So, Alex, please tell me, what is the Total Return Fund?
Sure, Brad. So the Westbridge Total Return Fund follows on from the Industrial Total Return Fund, which was a popular product with our investors, focusing on that blend of income driven from properties, but also with that potential to drive further value through refurbishments and leasing, and effectively just getting that mix right to provide a total return to our investors.
Okay, so what's the target returns and time frame look like then?
So it's a 4 to 5 year term target on the fund, looking to provide investors an internal rate of return of 10 to 12%, and distributions to investors monthly, they'll be in the range of 4 to 6%, depending on what point in the cycle with the assets and how we manage that income flow.
Nice, a bit of cash to keep you going on the way through, but the whole idea is to really make that value add work for you, right?
That's right, and I think the difference in this one is we've got, whereas the industrial total return was WA focused, this one is focused on various sectors and Australia-wide, and it gives us a little bit more of a remit to really find those opportunities that we think are going to drive that growth.
No, diversity in a bigger blend, that sounds great.
That's it.
Yeah. Okay, so you touched on the fact that this is both income and a value add sort of blend. What type of opportunities would you be looking like to create the mix?
Yeah, so the value add focus might be shorter term opportunities where you might have a sitting tenant, you need to do some refurbishments to increase that rent, and that in itself will drive an uplift in value. And then sort of more income plus asset might be a medium term lease. There's an agreement there, there's an income stream coming in, but again, it's sort of, is there a future upside there, whether that's the ability to recut that lease to a market rent, to do some refurbishments, but it just enables the lease expiries to be a different time frame, so that you've got the income from one while you're working the other asset, and by the time they're reset, they're either sold or you've got the opportunity to use that money to go on to that next asset to reset that one.
Oh, that sounds exciting. Cash back early versus going and buying a better asset. I know a lot of my investors always say to me there's no such thing as one asset that will do everything, but by finding a decent blend like that, you can turn it into the ultimate fund.
Certainly that's the idea, and it's just juggling those things together, but it's potentially a little bit less risky than just doing outright value add. It just has that blend, so there's some income along the way.
So sales obviously a very important part of the whole strategy. How would that work?
So once an asset's reset and potentially that value's been realised, we'll look at the options. So it may be a hold for income just for a short term till the fund expires, but it may be a better option just to sell the asset down, realise the gain, either return funds to investors or the alternative might be to reinvest that in the next asset if it's early days in the fund. So there's a few options, but certainly we won't be necessarily holding all assets till the expiry of the fund. It will be selling them as and when that gain is realised.
So you've got income, capital growth, value add, potential to get your cash back early, 4-year funds, so shorter than the average commercial fund. I think the investor's going to be pretty excited by all this. What do you reckon?
Yeah, I hope so, and we're really excited to put it together, and certainly enjoyed doing the Reason Industrial Total Return Fund that so far has gone really well. So we hope to sort of look at that and do the same again.
Nice. That sounds pretty exciting. Thank you everyone. If you'd like more information, obviously you can click on the website for more info. Otherwise, give myself, Riley or Phil Barton a call in our Key Relationships team. We'd be happy to run it all through with you. Have a good day.